Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, happy fall, almost fall guys. Yes, it's almost fall, y'all. So yes, I am I am ready for my fall colors. I'm really popping out this berry as you can see and this buffalo checker. So this is my living room and dining room theme, but today's video is going to be on my coffee station. So my coffee station is now complete and I bought the theme of the sort of like the black and white checkered, of course, along again with some gold, not so much berry over there, but gold and more of a copper theme. I just changed a few things out, added some stuff that I had from before, but I added a new coffee maker. I believe it's pronounced Sboly, so they partnered with me because they know I needed a coffee maker. The one that I had before was a Keurig, and it was really, really big for my small space, and it was taking up just way too much space for me and my needs. I only was looking for something that's really simple, just making coffee. I don't need all the bells and whistles. Okay, I don't need the timer and the clock. I just want something to make a fresh, hot cup of coffee. So yes, again, they partnered with me, so they sent me a product here. So I'm going to do the review in the beginning so you can see how it works, the pros and cons. Is it good? Is it not? So I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I always tell people, my vendors, just because you send me something, I will let my subscribers know, good or bad or indifferent. All right, so I'm going to talk to you about that, and afterwards we're going to do my fall coffee station. Yes, I added a few things, a little DIY, something really simple, nothing elaborate or over the top, but something that's really nice, really cute, something that's going to overcrowd it. But I like to decorate things that I need, so I'm not going to keep this intro really long. So I just want to come and say hey guys, and how are you, and again to show you some of my fall colors. And of course I will be doing a tour. I haven't gotten to my patio yet, but I will do that after I do this. But now let's get started over to the coffee station. Okay guys, I hope you like this coffee station. Again, simple, cute, and to the point and efficient. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl and I will see you soon. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl. So this is the Sboly coffee maker. I believe it's pronounced Sboly, and it's a nice little compact coffee maker. Right here you have your drip tray. I mean, like, really efficient. It's only for really just one cup of coffee. It's really accessible. I really like the way it just really comes out. It's simple to use. Now the side panels is where you lift this up to add your water, and it takes up to 14 ounces of water. Here the tray comes out and it has the maximum line as well. You don't want to go over that line, guys. Use cold water. Just use an 8-ounce bottle of water, and that way I know I will not go over. All you got to do is snap it in, press it down, guys, and that is it. All right, for the capsule, or you can use capsule or you can use for ground. So of course I'm using the capsule, as you see, and I'm making a nice hot piping coffee. Now I compare the temperature to the Sboly to my Keurig, and it was so much hotter. It was about 10 to 15 degrees hotter. So when you add your creamer, guess what? Your coffee is still hot. With my other machine, I had to keep putting in the microwave because I added cold creamer. Now for the ground coffee, I'm using the Sweetie Pie's ground coffee that I got from Home Goods. And you can see here is a maximum lines. And guys, just please don't go over, because you don't want your coffee too strong. Again, all you got to do is add your water, and that's it. Now for the ground coffee, you want to push the second button for ground. Here it comes with a cute little thermos. I thought this was really nice. It got a little flipped, a travel thermos you could take with you, and it has the company name on it, and it has a handle, guy. I thought that was adorable. Look at that. You can carry that with you, guys, anywhere you want to go to work, anywhere you want to go. And this thermos, look at that. And the inside will keep your coffee or hot chocolate nice and hot. Now guys, check this out. This is a cool feature. Really loving it. This little guy is self-cleaning. So all you have to do is add your water. You press both the buttons together simultaneously, and it cleans out your coffee. This is a great feature. You know why? With my other machine, when I go from coffee to tea, I always get the ground coffee in my tea, and I have to keep cleaning it several times. So this is a very cool feature. This machine, my big Keurig, goes out, and here it comes. Yes, so compact, so much more space. This is great for RVs, guys, if you in a mobile home. Also, like if you go on a camping trip, or if people have basements, which is sort of like their den, man cave, or whatever it is, and you just want a single cup, it is awesome for that. So guys, so far I have been using this for a week now. No problems whatsoever. Again, if you want to have bells and whistles, this is like, to some people, maybe a secondary machine. But for me, it's my main one just for my needs. I just need hot coffee. I don't need a clock. I already have a clock. All right, guys, thanks for watching this review. And let's get started on the Fall Coffee Station 2020. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here.
This cute little rose gold acorn I hauled from Hobby Lobby.
Bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
Now this cute little welcome autumn sun I hauled from Target Dollar Spot last year, guys.
It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still.
This was a cool Goodwill find last year, guys. Remember this? And I DIY'd and add glitter to it. Now these cute Tupperware little plants here I got from my neighbor, the artist. She's the same artist that did the Mooregirl sign and also my signs for my coffee station a couple years ago. She is a phenomenal artist. Her name is Be Creative on Facebook.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees.
Now for this side, I keep it basically same. I love my little eyelashes cups, so I kept them there. My espresso cups I got from Home Goods, and along with this cute little DIY of this rose gold pumpkin that I add glitter to. I think I DIY'd that a couple years ago. Now for all my coffee and my stuff, I decided to use these mason jars that I got from Walmart. It came in a 4-pack. So I figured let me put my Cricut to use and just, personalize them. And also this ribbon I got from Michael's that was on sale, the holiday ribbon. It's really, really cute to keep with the checkerboard theme. Now, if you're like me, okay, there's something wrong with this word. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes, I don't know if you're like me, but sometimes you forgot to put the other P in pumpkin. So I just wanted to show you how easily you could take it off with your Cricut with removable vinyl and just replace it. Easy breezy.
So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that
So I decided to do this idea. I just wanted some height for the coffee station as well, and sort of just add a little bit more pumpkin twist to it. So when I went to Bath and Body Works, I seen this cute little, you know, the candle holders with the candles all around it with the pumpkins around it. And I figured I'm not spending $30 for that. So I figured let me just do a quick DIY with some leftover pumpkins and surround this candle holder that I got also from Bath and Body from years ago. So basically all you're doing is I'm taking this old little cake tray that I had painted that black last year. So I figure, you know, let me just DIY something I already had so I didn't spend any additional money. And again, I thought it was kind of cute and just kind of different.
Sometimes I pinch myself, it could have been a dream. This is my current mode, I always will remember. You're nothing but yourself, and that's why I believe that this could last for good, cause we're so great together. Oh baby, tell me where and when. Tell me where and when. Make love all day and night again. Day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you.
I'm trying this new Starbucks sort of toffee flavor coffee. Never tried it before, and here I have my, you know, Keurig holder, and I like this. It was a gift from my son years ago, and I think we got this from JCPenney's, and I sprayed it gold and black because it was silver. Alright guys, I'm just adding everything on my station and just see how everything just kind of fits it in this compact small space.